Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. If you are planning for a bedroom cupboard and you are searching for a modern bedroom cupboard designs, then you can stop your search here. Just give you a few valuable minutes and we will showcase you the best ideas that you can ever think of. So relax and watch each bedroom cupboard designs carefully and get some great and innovative ideas from these designs that are used by top interior designers all over the world. The beauty of bedroom is not only just due to its designing and architecture. Cupboard gives an aesthetic beauty to the bedroom. They give more area for storing huge and small items such as clothes, bed sheets, curtains, etc. in an organized manner. Nowadays, there is a lot of material available in the market from which you can choose the closet which are modern in look and have an elegant wardrobe design with ample amount of space. Cupboards are actually an idea which you can modify in any way. They will make your simple cupboard look more special and elegant. There are several types of wardrobe based on material and number of doors which you can choose for your bedroom. Watch this video completely to get all latest cupboard designs. In case you want to maximize the storage in your bedroom, then adding a floor to ceiling cupboard is the right way to go. You can store bulky items like suitcases, strollers on the top part of the cupboard and apparel in the lower half. One of the easiest way of making a bedroom cupboard look amazing is by adding contrasting color doors. Another great way to maximize storage in your bedroom is by creating a wall of cupboards. You can incorporate different size shelves so that you can hold on to every type of clothing that you might own. If you want to incorporate a beautiful looking cupboard and yet want to save more space floor, then opting for sliding door is highly recommended. By adding a glass sliding door, you can make your wardrobe look even more amazing. For those of you who have a small room and are looking for incorporate a cupboard, then using this elevated wardrobe layout is worth considering. In this way, you will be able to utilize the top half of the wall for storage and lower half to place your bed. So friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern bedroom wardrobe designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration design ideas that are going on in this world. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in